I thought of preparing the noodles, but one panda came to my room and he finished everything. So means water. So now I just went to the reception and took the water. So today we won't be having the breakfast from Aisha side, so we'll be doing by our own. So I'm gonna prepare noodles today because I brought the Korean noodles. So, but I don't know where I have kept. So I already brought the water bottle, so I'll make the noodles. Guys, in this kettle I cannot make because top is not that open to put the noodles, and if I'll make, then it is not possible to take it out. So I took the noodle packets. I'll go to the kitchen. They have kitchen as well. I'll go and microwave it just because it is ready to make only. Need some heating. So guys, I prepared the noodles with in kitchen only here. So see the view. It's morning. First I thought of eating outside, but not possible because it's too sunny. See the noodles which I have made. These are the Korean noodles, one of my favorite in Thailand. So I will enjoy this. Till then, take care. क्या हुआ ब्रिंची?
ये देख नीचे दिखा।
Oh my goodness.
ये इस हाथ में दिखा, सुगना के हाथ में।
सुगना भी खड़ी. Oh, fish treatments. These guys are taking. Sugna, how are you feeling? Tell your experience.
It's too good.
Too good. Shall I also do?
नहीं।
Don't touch it.
Oh, they are. Why not putting hands inside?
I'm not. I'm the one. I didn't touch it.
Why?
You can try.
You can see everybody's touching.
No, my Baba said no touching those
But why? What's the reason behind?
because they can't breathe.
They can see they are breathing. They're eating as well.
No, when you take them outside, they can't.
But we are not taking them outside. Why we have to take them
They
outside?
can't breathe. That. Oh, bro, what?
So now we are taking the group photograph here for all the students. So guys, vans are here and they are eating food. Oh, from where you got this one?
Yesterday night.
Okay.
What?
From yesterday's night dinner. Murgi. Guys, we have reached Bayer. ये देखो खाना ठूस रहा है. ये खा चुका है. और tickets we have taken and now we'll go sleeping. So guys, we are boarding the ferry now. Already taken the tickets and scanned. So guys, I got the window seat and while rest others are boarding, so I will sleep now. So guys, we have boarded the ferry. So we are sitting inside. The capacity of over here is 463 persons, and when we came here, we came by this. Sidran. So everyone has started moving now. Guys, हम जा रहे थे, यहाँ पे लगा है मैप, ये देखो, easy to explain. From Khatyai, we went like this way, not Phuket, this one up to here, and here we go to this Mango Bay and these all things, and then Koh Tao, this island, and we were staying in Koh Samui, and also we went to Koh Phangan, sorry. So this way we have covered, and now right now we are going back up to here. Guys, it's more than 1 hour and everybody is sleeping. See our Birinchi and Gokul. Hey Jyoti, can we have 90 seconds please? No. What are you taking? मुंह मत छुपाओ, काले कारनामे के बाद Oreo. So guys, we will eat Oreo now. Balamani, she has purchased Oreo for us.
No, not for me.
For me. In place of Oreo, I'll give her chewing gum as well. Balamani. How you feeling, bro?
Very blur now.
Yes, it's gone. See guys, two persons are eating lunch here.
Very seriously.
Suguna and Sovya, so seriously. She has seen.
See the Suguna.
Now she's laughing.
See Suguna in particular. Bub 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 bub.
So guys, here we are about to reach. हम बहुत दूर से हैं, यहाँ से नहीं, पता नहीं कहाँ से. After 1.5 hours journey, we are about to reach the island. And then we'll be having our bus over there and we'll go in that. So guys, we have reached. So maybe our ferry, yes, it will be here. यहाँ से हम जाएंगे. वो देखो guys, उसको उसके साथ जोड़ दिया बिना फिट किए. पॉइंट ये भी है, एक फेरी है. तो गाइस ये हमारी बस आ गई एंड विल बोर्ड एंड विल गो. गुरुराज हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. गुरु प्लीज स्टैंड टू शो योर प्रेजेंस. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. Okay. Happy birthday गुरु. तो गाइस हमने 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लिया था और अभी हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं. सी इट्स टू गुड व्यू. और वही हमारी बस. नाउ विल गो. हम लोग त्रांग में रुके हैं. सोवेनियर शॉप है तो ये सब के सब फ्री सैंपल्स. देखो सोवेनियर शॉप में गाइस से पेट भर लेंगे. खरीदने किसने हम लोगों ने. Sample. So guys, we have reached PSU. So guys, see you in next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.